The King. Of course, this is the name of the 1966 Cadillac DeVille convertible. Owner had, well, swivel seats put in the front and some interior work redone. Let's look into it. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you are on Rumble, please follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a quick story regarding Hickman Creations. They have a nice Facebook page. Check that out or go out to their website. And again, this is regarding the King, a 1966 Cadillac DeVille that has been, well, redone. The first that I saw of this Cadillac was on January 19th, 2023. It was back in the interior shop with Brandon Falls. Now, Brandon wasn't exactly in the mood for me to make this video, but I thought that y'all would enjoy it because this thing is such a behemoth. He was instructed to redo the interior as far as making the front two seats platform swivel seats and redoing that center console. Now, there's a lot of blemishes and flaws in this car. Nothing extraordinary. It's still a show car and it's still pretty cool. The second time I saw the car was on February 16th, and it was in the back. Brandon had completed all of the interior work, so that center console and the front swivel seats. So, you know, like I said before, this car's got a lot of blemishes, some color mismatching and all that, but there was nothing Brandon could do about that, especially relative to the budget for this car. Now, the engine work is really cool. Thought you might want to get a good look at that because this is a show car. The owner takes it out quite often. This monster was delivered to the owner back somewhere around February 22nd. Seemed very happy with it, and Brandon had these photographs. Now, to finish my story, on March the 5th, that was a Saturday, a lot of car shows beginning. I ran into Colt Brindley, who's got this really cool Camaro, of which has won prizes. And so, anyway, Colt went to a car show in Sherman where the Elvis Cadillac popped up, and he provided me with these photographs. Thought you would enjoy this. Y'all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching this Road Odyssey video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, hey, follow. I appreciate that very much. Y'all have a fantastic day, and I will see you later. Bye.